So for today's video, we want to talk about neem leaf or the dogoyaro leaf. As we know, this leaf they common for the area where we dey stay. So this leaf na good supplement for your broilers or other poultry bird feed. Na growth promoter e be. In fact, this leaf contain 92% dry matter. It contains 22.6% crude protein and it contains 16% crude fiber. And again, you fit use this neem leaf or the dogoyaro leaf as pesticide. So you fit use the oil kill insect for both your poultry house and for your chicken body. And it contain compound when gets anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties, and you fit use and kill lice or mites for your poultry house and poultry bed. Now good feed supplement in be. So now we could talk about the benefit of this dogoyaro leaf. One, na growth booster. So when you add them to your poultry feed, it will make your birds grow fast. Two, it will promote good health of the liver. As we know, liver they play important role for birds body. So a healthy liver, it means say the birds go dey very healthy. Another thing is say it dey promote feed efficiency. So it dey make your bird then eat fine to satisfaction, and that one dey help promote their growth. Another thing is say it dey boost their appetite. So it dey give them ability for them to dey chop quick. So as in they chop quick, it go boost their body go dey strong. Another thing is say it dey stimulate digestion. Another thing be say it dey help bird to fit cope with heat stress. As we know, heat stress dey really kill birds. So when you give them this neem leaf, it dey help them fit cope with them. So heat no go fit just kill them. And since this thing contain antioxidants, antifungal, and antiparasite, you fit use am fight coccidiosis, Newcastle disease, Gumboro disease. Another thing be say as you dey use this neem leaf, it dey make your poultry birds meat dey good so that consumer go fit eat am. E no go be meat when be say na so commercial drugs dem body. No. Since this thing dey low in fat, e fit make you eat your bird to satisfaction. You no go fear say the chemical there fit affect you. No. So this neem leaf, it dey very important. So now, how you fit prepare this neem leaf for your poultry bed? Number one, you need to air dry them. So after you don cut the leaf, you wash am, put am for tray pan, keep am under stick. No keep am for direct sunlight, make the nutrient no loss. Another thing be say, after you don dry them, make you grind them together. After you don grind them together, you go come cut 2% put for your poultry feed. So you no go too put am plenty. So it's like to each 100 kg of poultry feed when you want do, you go add 2%, which is 2.5 kg to this your poultry feed. So when you do am like this, it go really help your bird. It go make your bird grow fast. It go fight disease like coccidiosis, Newcastle disease, Gumboro disease, and make the liver of your bird dey healthy. So this neem leaf na good feed supplement. So e dey very important make you try am. This neem leaf e dey very cheap. You no dey buy am, e dey for your area, and e dey very profitable. I hope say you enjoy this video. No forget to subscribe to DIY Farm. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.